Good Thursday morning, all. This is Miss Melvin. I'm in my new place. This is a picture that I foresee me seeing in about another couple of weeks here in October. So it shows the season is changed to fall. Today is Thinking Cap Thursday, so please be ready to share at our 8:30 meeting. I am at my new place in the country, which is a house that is on 4 acres of land. It has its own fishing pond, and it also has a paddle boat that you can go on the pond. So we can use them. My dogs are smiling since we got here. You know, dogs smile when they are happy, don't you? So today in math, we will continue our place value detective and have our reading groups at 10:45 with Miss Rowland's green group on Miss Rowland's sorry. Yellow and blue group will still be with my Zoom, but we will break out into separate rooms. And then at 11:45, we will, as a whole group, talk and take notes on what plot means in a story. Miss Bessie had great things to say about y'all yesterday. Thank you all for participating and being respectful to her as a substitute. Let's make it a great Thursday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.